Ready to bring your vision to life? In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to create a beautiful professional website using Canva. No coding skills required. Whether you are a small business owner, artist, or blogger, this easy process will have your site up and running in no time. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this channel and this video where I will show you how you can make a website using canva.com. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including websites, using an intuitive drag and drop interface. It offers a wide range of templates, images, and design tools that simplify the web design process, making it accessible for users without coding or design experience. With Canva, you can easily customize layouts, add multimedia elements, and publish your website directly or export it for further use. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and just dive into canva.com, then you click over sign up, and then you write your email address and your password and you will find this page. So to create a website on Canva, you have just to start by signing in to your Canva account and selecting the website option from the templates menu. Go through the various pre-designed templates that suit your style and purpose and click on one to customize it. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and elements, adjusting colors and layouts as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the publish button to either share your website link directly or download it for hosting elsewhere. With Canva's user-friendly tools, you can create a professional looking website in just a few simple steps. So right now all I have to do is just click over search your content and Canva. So I will click over Canva template, then I will click over websites. So this is the website. For example, I will choose this one, then I will click over customize this template. So this is it. You will find this page like that. So we have here various things. I will show you how it works. So first of all, we have here file. We have a dark blue simple dark teach. We have create new design, import files, settings, accessibility. We have save, move to a folder, make a copy, download, virtual history, move trash. Then we have here resize also. For example, translate, transform into doc, and we have also here editing, commenting, viewing also. Then we have here dark blue size, and we have also here insights. We have here current page. Have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. Add a comment here and you click over it, then you get started. Then we have here preview, as you can see. Then we have publish websites, and then we have share. Here we have if you want to add a page, if you want to duplicate also. For example, I want to duplicate this one, as you can see. Then we have here if you want to zoom. Then we have here summary view. We have also grid view. We have here other things like that. As you can see, this is the exit full screen. We have here also interactive question and answer with Canva Live. We have also here open present review, and then we have more magic shortcuts, zoom in and out. Then we have here in design, like templates, layouts, style, a website here, portfolio, blog, food. We have recently used, all results, and we have here also elements, frame, arrow, button, line. We have here shapes, button, graphics, EA image generator, stickers, photos, videos, charts, tables, frames, grids, mock-ups, You have collections also. Then we have your text. You can just add the text box here, magic write, and we have other print fonts, add a hidden, add a subhidden, add a little bit of body text. Then we have recently used like 5 tips for great skin. Here we have it. You can just delete it if you want, you can duplicate if you want. We have here 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have your font combinations. Then we have brand also here. Brand templates meant brand consistency by setting up ready to use templates. Try Canva Pro if you want. Then we have brand kit, logos, upgrade to add logos, colors also, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have upload here. Upload an image or video, record yourself if you want. Just click over here and you upload. You have here draw. For example, I will write here Canva. Sorry, I will come back here and I will write Canva. This is it, sorry. If you want to delete it, you click over here. So that's it. If you want to write with other color, I will write here can. They will write here va. Then if you want to add something here, you have other things like add a note. If you add something like here we have comments, delete if you want to edit, BG remover, you have background color, crop, flip also, transparency, an image we have your ABC, fade, then we have color, then we have here also transition, slide, dissolve, transparency, we have edit timing, then we have position here, fade, an image, you can apply to all pages, remove all animations also if you want, and then we have here paste style. If you want to comment link also, then you click over done, and this is it. So Canva empowers users to create stunning visual content easily and efficiently, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced designers. Its user-friendly interface, extensive resources, and collaborative features streamline the design process, allowing anyone to bring their creative vision to life. Whether for personal projects or professional needs, Canva remains a valuable tool in the digital landscape. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.